I'm Esther and welcome to Minden's. Minden's are nutritious, delicious meals that you can make in minutes using 5 ingredients or less. Let's get started with today's Minden. Today we're making vegetable pad thai, and my husband loves pad thai, but I don't love all the carbs in it, so I came up with a great solution and a great sauce that I can't wait to show you today, because in traditional pad thai, there are so many ingredients that you have to purchase to make the sauce taste just right. This only has 5 ingredients in the whole recipe, and the sauce is phenomenal. So let me show you. First, I'm going to serve it with chicken, but feel free to use any protein that you prefer, whether it's a vegetarian option, beef, shrimp, pork, however you want to make your pad thai. But I already used my chicken tenders, and they cook up really fast. So I like to make things in one pan to save you the mess. You're cleaning up as quick as you're cooking. So we're going to spray the pan with a little bit of olive oil. First ingredient is I have these Asian vegetables that I got at the frozen freezer section, that's a tongue twister, at Trader Joe's, and they come with the sauce already, but we're going to doctor up this sauce. It says to cook them from frozen, but what I like to do is I like to defrost it in my refrigerator, because then the sauce is soft already as well. So all your vegetables are in one bag, very easy. Then we're going to take your butternut squash spirals. These already come spiralized in the produce section of Trader Joe's, or if you own a spiralizer, and you can find one on my top picks page on my website, which is www.mindens.com. You can spiralize your own, but this is just a little bit easier. We're going to do that, and now what we're going to do is we're going to add the sauce that comes with it. It's a great base for your pad thai sauce, but it's not enough to coat everything. So we're just going to add this sauce right in there. Now, I have this General Tso's sauce that I also found at Trader Joe's, and we're going to do about 1/4 of a cup. I don't need to measure, I can just eyeball it right in there. I'm going to get this started to saute up. When you're done, you can take the meat that you already prepared, put it on top, and reheat it all together, and then put it on your platter, so you're serving it all from one serving piece. I will have the nutritional information and the cost per serving on my website, where you can find all my back recipes as well, and that's www.mindens.com, Mindens with an S. And my nutrition on this will be with chicken. So the nutritional information will change depending on what protein source you use. Our last and final ingredient, this is phenomenal. It is the chunky, no stir peanut butter. This is probably the best chunky peanut butter that I have ever had, and it takes about 1.5 tablespoons, and I add that, and that will give you your peanuts that are in traditional pad thai sauce. So if you have a nut allergy, this recipe is not for you. If you don't enjoy it, and send me a picture of the one you make, and I will put it on my testimonial page. That's it. I'm going to give it a final stir, and if you go to my YouTube and subscribe, you will see this and all my recipes, and you can cook along with me every Monday. I post the shopping list on my website on Saturdays, and also follow me on Instagram, where you will see a finished picture of this and how it will look when you serve it. So thank you for joining us for vegetable pad thai today. Tune in next Monday for another nutritious, delicious recipe that you can make in 5 minutes along with me, and we'll cook together. Thank you so much.